Hello there, welcome to Blink and Peek. Thanks a lot for choosing to watch this video. In this video, I'll be unboxing and demoing the new mobile holder that I got from Amazon. This is the Portronics Clamp X car vent mobile holder. Unlike the regular mobile holder which uses the suction to stick to windshield or the dashboard, this one uses your car AC vent to get fixed to, like shown here in this picture. Before unboxing, here are some of the highlights. 360-degree rotational, strong grip, durable material, easy to install, and compatible with 4 to 6 inch devices, perfect for navigation devices. It comes with 1 year warranty, and currently the price of the product is just about 300 INR, which really is a good deal if the product works as expected. We will find out that in this video. If you are looking for the product, then the link is available in the description. Please check it out. Now let's unbox it. Upon unboxing, we find 3 items here: the mobile holder and the clamp to fix to the AC vent, and then a card which has the registration steps that you need to follow to get the warranty registered. In the back of the mobile holder, we have the release button here which opens up the arms on both sides. It is quite spacious and will definitely be able to fit a wide range of mobile models, and this also feels quite sturdy for its size, so it should last long for sure. And this area here has a little bit of that cushion like rubber finish. The same material is found on the inside of these arms as well, so which gives the mobile a good grip and holds it in its place. Next up, let's fix it together. First, we'll have to loosen this in the mobile holder. And then push this ball into this and tighten it again. Now this is the part which actually gets inserted into an AC vent, and we have a small lever here which can be pushed to either side, which in turn tightens this clamp and secures our mobile holder in place. Now let's find out how it fits in the car. This is how it looks after fixing it. Let's place the phone now. There we go, good fit. It is 360-degree rotational, quite flexible at all sides and angles, strong grip for sure, and was easy to install as well. Couple of advantages I see with this mobile holder when compared to the suction based ones is that it doesn't hide your road view since it is not in the windshield or the dashboard of your car. And the other advantage is, since it is in front of the AC vent, your mobile will stay cool, allowing it to perform normally even if you are using maps or any other apps for longer duration. I have personally had issues with my phone earlier where the battery temperature raised and it switched off automatically on a hot sunny day in the middle of nowhere since I was using the map for a long hours continuously. I personally recommend this product for these two advantages. Hope you find it in the same way as well. With that, we come to the end of this video. Hope this was useful and informational to you. Catch you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.